this is Caroline Kenny. I'm the head of adult services here at the Goffstown Public Library, and I'm here to talk to you about a couple programs going on in late August. On August 19th, we have Dr. Lynn Durand and Kathy Fife coming to talk about Lyme disease. Dr. Durand is a primary care physician, mainly focusing on tick-borne diseases, and now he's retired from his primary care practice, but is still working with patients on chronic conditions like Lyme disease. Kathy Fife is a Lyme ecologist, so she's talking about more of the natural world and ecological side of things. So it's a great combination. It'll be a great discussion. Registration is required. It starts at 6 p.m. and it will be on the second floor. We look forward to seeing you there. And then the second program that I wanted to talk about is our new monthly program, the Wellness Cafe. It happens every fourth Thursday at 11 a.m. And we'll be going through the wellness wheel, talking about different aspects of wellness. August will be emotional wellness, and Kathleen McLeod, who is a meditation and mindfulness teacher, will be coming to talk about mindfulness, learning how to meditate, journaling, and practices that you can do at home. Registration is required. Please see our calendar on our website to register. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Jen Wyman. I'm the new Adult Services Librarian, and I have a few cookbooks for you today. So we are starting up Cookbook Club again in September on Saturday, September 13th at 11 a.m., the second Saturday of the month. And for the first month, we are headed to Mexico. So I am excited to try some recipes from Mi Cocina by Rick Martinez. And he visits 7 regions in Mexico and has over 100 unique recipes. He has written for New York Times, Food 52, Bon Appetit, and it is just a gorgeous cover, as you can see, with a lot of amazing recipes. In October, we are headed to France. So we will make some apple cake and some onion soup. And with Cookbook Club, you can pick up a book at the circulation desk. You get to pick which cookbook you want, and it's optional. If you'd like to bring something, great. We will have something small to share for you to taste each month. In November, we are headed to Taiwan. And in December, we are headed to Italy, and I will talk about that more later. But please be sure to stop by the circulation desk and pick up a book, and we'll see you September 13th at 11 a.m. Thank you.
Hi, it's me, Dianne, back again, and I just am following Jen, who talked about Cookbook Club, and boy, do I have a cookbook for you. It is called The Ultimate Spam Cookbook. No, not just any spam cookbook, the ultimate spam cookbook. I grew up in the Air Force. I'm a military brat, and we ate a lot of spam. It was inexpensive. It was easy to get. It lasted a long time. And the teens a few months ago made spam musubi. I think it's how it's pronounced. It's rice and spam and seaweed. And they loved to bring me food, and I ate it, and I really liked it. This book has like 3 recipes for musubi, so you can make it at home. You can also make a spam LT. Take out the bacon, put in some fried spam, and you have a spam LT. I think I might need to try that myself. And the ultimate spam recipe, maple brown sugar spam ice cream. I kid you not. There it is. If you want to have something that's really special, try out the spam ice cream and bring me some so I can try it too. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. Stay in the know. You can subscribe to the library's monthly email newsletters at goffstownlibrary.com/subscribe, and you can unsubscribe at any time.